Question and answers.
Where did you go?
I went to the museum with my friend.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Where did you go on the last vacation?
I went to Toronto on my last vacation.
Do you have any siblings?
No, I am an only child.
What is your dream destination?
My dream destination is Italy.
What is your favorite app?
My favorite app is Spotify because I love listening to music.
What kind of music do you listen to?
I listen to pop and rock music.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week, usually running and doing yoga.
Do you follow any specific diet?
No, I eat a variety of foods.
What is your favorite cuisine?
My favorite cuisine is Italian.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is brownies.
Are you a coffee or tea person?
I am a tea person.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play tennis and basketball.
What is a hobby you would like to learn?
I would like to learn how to play the guitar.
How often do you go out with friends?
I go out with friends about twice a week.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is to be an actor.
Do you prefer studying alone or in a group?
I prefer studying alone because I can focus better.
What countries have you visited?
I have visited Canada, Japan, and Cuba.
Do you have a budget that you follow?
Yes, I have a monthly budget that I follow to manage my expenses.
Why were you so late to the meeting?
I was late because there was a lot of traffic.
What do you do when you have free time?
I love to cook my favorite meals.
Why did you miss the flight?
I missed the flight because there was a lot of traffic.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 8 a.m.
Do you have a degree?
Yes, I have a degree in business.
What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher.
How do you relax?
I relax by doing meditation.
What do you do to help the environment?
I recycle and use reusable bags.
How often do you use public transportation?
I use it every day.
What type of gadget do you use?
I use a smartphone.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.